That's right. You just witnessed HARP, ladies and gentlemen. What? Third phase of moon. Watching it this morning. This is a total shout out for them. This is all theirs. I was watching this and I'm like, holy crap, that's exactly what I've been seeing right over here on windy.com. And there are several of them all over. So when ISIS is going through, it's just kind of ISIS, International Space Station, ISIS. That's funny. This is just what it does. Zip. Interesting stuff, folks. But there's some more interesting stuff going on out in space too. Let me show you. Technical difficulties. Okay, folks. One of the things that I did want to bring to everybody's attention, if you will, is that we've got some missing time here. It's just kind of like Go 16 is like gone short, gone awry, gone amiss. Where'd you go? And then over here, it's 16. Well, if it goes down like this, just goes completely offline, and then comes back on, and then you can see that there's a lot of things going on right here. So if this goes down, and then another one just goes down, and we end up having no data whatsoever, that could be indicative. We'll have to pay attention to that, because I mean, when these things start going down, that means something's interfering with it, if you know what I mean. Pretty sure you do. And then here we've actually got quite a bit of missing data. We've got let's see, right over here, about 7. Yeah, from 7 to 11. There it is, 7 to 11. 3 hours. Oh, see that? Oh, there's another 2 hours. So there's a lot of happening. Oop, here we go right here. There's one. La 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 la, right behind him. Don't you love it? And here we are over here at seeds, and I want everybody to take a notice at something right here. You guys see this right here? This is really weird. This is like a ray of, it almost looks like it's pouring out, like someone's pouring liquid out of the sun. You can almost see it here. It's really hard and faint to see, but it actually continues to come out, and you can kind of see it here, but you do see it here, and it's really crazy. And yeah, I'm playing some deep, intellectually stimulating and thinking music for a reason right now. We really need to start rethinking our reality and what things really are. The video that I did last night about the unfocusing become focused. We really need to start thinking that, like, what we think is unfocused could actually be focused in a different reality of vibrations and frequencies when we start looking at things. And I'd like to show you a little bit more about what I'm talking about here. As above, so below, as within, so without. Try to think about that. In many aspects of life. So here, where we're focused in on one thing, something else is out of focus. And then as we start to focus on this becomes the bigger picture. And this becomes smaller because we're not focusing on this anymore. We're focusing on this, which becomes this. So losing focus of one allows us to focus on another. Let me show you here. I'm doing this for a reason. Brothers and sisters, this right here, I've seen this many times. And it's ringing truth for everything that is in the universe. This right here is light. It's energy. Don't know the source, but here it is. And if you recall, I've gone, the next frame, it's gone all of a sudden, and then it comes back. But it's black. And it's not here. Like this. As above, so below. As within, so without. So, if the energy from this, being that of light, penetrates all of this, after it's gone, the darkness has to come back in the same matter or pattern or design or the same path as the light did. As above, so below. As within, so without. As Jesus came into the world, or Christ, so shall the Antichrist come. Same thing. The exact same. As above, so below. Jesus and Christ, Antichrist. As above, so below, within, without. Light. Darkness. Something to dwell on for the day, folks. I'll try to keep everything up to date, and I'll see what's going on. Love ya. Ooh, ending with a rockin' song. Love y'all. Bye. Okay, I could just cut you off and let y'all listen to the rest of the song, so we'll just kind of go with it for now. But here we are over at back at WindyRadar.com, and look at this. Looks like a diode to a LED flashlight, doesn't it? What kind of alien code is that? See if we can get closer. Back in town. People lay my money down. It's pretty interesting, though. Got some other good stuff to look at. You guys will be seeing my head just jamming along right now. I love I love Led Zeppelin. Backed up a little bit. Look at this. This is frozen. It like doesn't move. You can see this one coming on, and you can see the eye over here. The eye of Ra. And this is just like not moving. I wonder what this is. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. See if those are some voids for us to read. Or some numbers. Either way. I don't care what the people say. I know where their job is at. Look at this. Nothing's moving. This is going on. Oh, excuse me. This is 1 hour.